Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ira. Today I will be talking about how I tried rice water and what it did to my hair and stuff. And honestly, I tried it not expecting anything out of it, to be honest, because I just seen a lot of people doing it. And the reason why I did it was because 𝚂𝚂𝚂𝚗 had did a review on it. The way she did it was like different than a lot of people that I seen, because a lot of people were actually leaving it in their hair, and she had put it, actually didn't leave it in her hair. She had sprayed it on and then washed it out. So I'm like, this is better, because I tried it one time, but I was like, bro, it smells so bad. And I was like, ugh, like how can people put this in their hair and leave it? So I'm just like it ain't that serious, like let me not do it. I finally tried it September 8th 2020. If you, of course this is, you're watching it further back or in the future, this is the date that I tried it. And I also did a length check. I'll put videos right here. I actually did it on TikTok and I got a lot of feedback on it, like the views and stuff. So I decided, why not do a YouTube video on it? And yeah, I did the length check September 8th 2020, and you see the lengths all here. Let's pause and just look at the video real quick. So right after I did the rice water, which I left it for 1 hour because that's what 𝚂𝚂𝚂𝚗 did. You could leave it for 2 to 3 hours, but make sure to wash it out your hair. And when I actually sprayed it on, I put a plastic bag on my hair and I went and washed it out and stuff. When I was in the shower, y'all, let me tell y'all, like usually my hair will be like stuck together and I gotta like separate it, but when I was doing that, it's like the tangles just fell out of my hair. Like it was just like going, and I'm like, sheesh, like, oh, okay. I really did not get a lot of shedding. The tangles just fell out. Like I'm just doing this and like it's like I'm like, my hair does not do this. Like this is my hair right now, so like my hair looks thick, but it's like on the thin side. Like I have high density hair, so this is why like it looks like, whoa, she got a lot of hair. But right when I straighten it or blow dry it, scalp, like I'm just like, what the heck? But that's how my hair is. But right after I did the rice water though, I noticed my hair was soft. It's like, I thought it would be like kind of like hard, like gritty type feel. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but it did not feel like that. So I'm like, dang, like I've been missing out on some serious stuff. Like what was I doing? It really helps define your hair, like the frizz in your hair is not there. Because after I was going to do a wash and go, but I just did a braid out, and I also have it right here. I'm gonna share with y'all. And my hair was flowing after the braid out because I use gel. And usually my hair will be like stuck, like not going nowhere, but it was moving. I'm like, oh, okay, let's see if it grows my hair. Let's see. I wasn't expecting it to do all that, but after those pros, I was like, hey, I will probably use it again because it just felt nice. So I'm just like, all right, let's see if it grows though. September 15 is when I did the length check again. So this is 1 week after I did my length check and also put the rice water in. I only did it once and I didn't do it anymore. I just left my hair like this, did nothing, no scalp massage, no oil, nothing, because I wanted to see if the rice water would actually work like people be saying, right? So I did that, and I actually measured it first before I did a TikTok on it, because I'm like, let me see if my hair grew. Even if it didn't grow, I would have still posted. I'm like, let me check. And then I check, I'm like, no, wait, like, hold up. Let me go back and watch my previous one and see. And I'm like, okay, I'll try to get like the same sections. I got the same sections, y'all. And I measure, I'm like, this can't be for real. Like it's only been a week. So I'm like, okay. And I'm like, all right. So I guess it did grow. And then I do a TikTok on it and stuff. It's right here. On one part of my hair grew like a whole inch. I would say my hair does grow fast, so I don't know how it would work for other people or how fast your hair would grow. And then this other part, my hair grew a couple centimeters, inches. I don't know what you call it, but it grew, as you could see. Shoot, where have I been? I could actually have my hair down to my waist if I had want to. So it's like, let's see. So let's see in a month if where my hair is at. Like even now, like my hair is like literally easy to deal with. Most of the time I cannot do this with my hair if my hair is just like normal, but like I think even if you're not trying to grow your hair, you should try it out, because there is the benefit of it just being easier to detangle. So I would say try it out. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you are from TikTok, let me know down below. Be sure to tell me what else you would like me to talk about on my YouTube channel. Be sure to look over that.